Joy and welcome to another episode of Grey Matter, the series of science shorts that talks all things brain and cracks all things cranium. How handy would it be if we could grow you a new arm if you needed one, or even a new part of brain? Well, we can with stem cells. And before some of you start panicking about the mere mention of stem cells, I'm not talking about embryonic stem cells, I'm talking about pluripotent stem cells. Pluripotent stem cells are stem cells made from your own cells by taking samples from hair or cells from your cheek. When we use stem cells, what we want is a blank cell, a cell that doesn't yet have a designated use. When we use embryonic stem cells, we use this because when the egg is fertilised, it forms a blank set of cells, a group of cells that hasn't started to become specialised into cells like muscle cells, heart cells or brain cells. And scientists can use these blank cells and essentially program them to become whatever cell they need, including nerve cells to help treat spinal cord injuries. The problem with embryonic stem cells is they're incredibly controversial. However, pluripotent stem cells don't have this issue. With pluripotent stem cells, we take already existing cells like skin cells and we reprogram them to wipe them clean and create these blank cells. We can then reprogram these cells to become any cell we want, including brain cells. If we take these blank cells and put them in a petri dish with the right sort of nutrients and a little bit of coaxing, they begin to assemble brain-like chunks, like little mini brains. Now, growing a whole brain is a little bit far off, but we can certainly grow sections of tissues and layers of cortex that act like the brain. Now, this is exciting because not only could it help in neurological research, but it could have therapeutic benefits. Because if you have a condition that's caused by the loss or death of brain cells, we can essentially grow these brain cells back and plant them into your brain through a process called autologous transplantation. And although at the moment we can't quite grow a whole brain, we can certainly grow parts of the brain that are lost in certain conditions like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. So that's it for this episode of Grey Matter. Stay tuned for next time.